These metal railings were completely rusted over, but with a little time and the right tools, they will look brand new again. In this video, I take you through the full restoration process, from removing rust to applying primer and paint for a long-lasting finish. The first step is removing all the loose rust and old paint using a wire brush and drill-mounted wire wheel. This helps expose clean metal and ensures the new paint adheres properly. I also use sandpaper to smooth out rough areas and wipe everything down with a clean cloth to remove dust and debris. Next comes priming. I'm using a rust-converting metal primer that chemically stops any remaining rust and seals the surface. A good primer is essential. It creates a strong bond between the metal and paint, and it's what keeps rust from coming back. I apply one even coat, let it dry completely. Finally, it's time for painting. I use a rust-resistant enamel oil-based paint made for outdoor metal surfaces. 2 thin coats work better than 1 thick coat. It gives a smoother finish and stronger protection. Once the paint cures, the railings are not only restored but also protected against future rust and weather damage. This method works for stair railings, balconies, fences, and any outdoor metal surface that's been exposed to moisture over time. With some patience and attention to detail, you can save money and make your metalwork look brand new again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials and home improvement inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy painting.